Hi friends, how are you doing? Today I am going to show you very new pattern which is of only 2 rows. You can make it very fast. Let's start. This is the multiple of 3 and 1 extra. We will start now. The 0 row I will start knit all. This is the 0 row after the stitches. So knit all. This is a pattern of just 2 rows, one from front, one from back. That's it. You will like the pattern, I hope so. So this 0 row is finished. We will go to the main first row to start the pattern. So for this, the first stitch you can remove or you can knit, up to you. This is the straight row front side. So I knitted the stitch. Now we have to take 2 stitches, and the second one, which is the back, this one we have to knit first, like this. But don't remove from the needle. Now the other one with this we will knit now from the back, like this, and now we can draw both together this way. Bring the thread front. The next stitch we just slide on the right needle, no need to knit. Again we will go to 2 stitches. The second one we will knit first, this way. Put the needle at the back, like this. Now along with this, another stitch we will knit, and now we can drop it this way. Again the thread front. Next stitch just slide on the right needle. The thread should be back to knit the next one. Again take 2 stitches. The second one, this one, you can see, we can knit first, then with this, the another one we will knit now, only the single, like this. These are the 2 stitches, 1, 2. So we will knit now this way and drop from the needle. Again thread front, take the next and drop it. Thread at the back for knitting. Now again we go to the second loop of the stitch. Knit this first, and now next to it, now we will knit the another one this way from the back, like this, and drop it. Drop both together. Thread is front towards your side. Take the next stitch like that only, without knitting. Thread back. Again taking 2. The second one we will knit first, and now the next to it we will knit like this way, and drop it. Thread front towards you. Take the next. Just drop on the right needle without knitting. Now again we will take 2. We will knit the second one first, like this, not dropping, but now with this, the another stitch we will knit now, and we can drop. This is the last stitch. We can do the simple knitting. Now we come to the back side, which is the reverse side of the pattern. we will knit all. First stitch you can drop or knit, up to you. We will knit all, but your hand should be little bit loose, not tight. So we are knitting all. Now we have come to the front side of the pattern. Again we will do the same. The first one we are dropping or knitting, then we are taking two. This big one we will knit later. First the back one, the second loop. We will knit this like this, then we go to this way, we will knit this and drop it together. Again thread towards me, drop this next stitch on the right needle and thread also go back. Again you can see these two big and small. The second one we will knit first like this from the back, and now the next of it, this one we will knit now and drop together this way. Again thread front, taking this stitch on the right side, thread at the back, from the back we are knitting this way. Now we will knit the next of this from the back only. Now we can drop, thread front, drop it on the right needle. The last stitch we will knit normally. Now we are going to next row, which is the wrong side, reverse side, back side. We will knit all. That's it. This is the design, so you can make it very fast. So this is the pattern. I will show you after finishing full how does it look. This is the right side of it and this is the back side of it. Both sides look very good. So this is in the green color and this is in the lemon color. So in this color it looks like this, and this color after finishing it looks this way. This is the front side and this is the back side. Even the back side looks very nice, so you can choose any. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.